Hello everyone, welcome back to Henna Co. This is your Lucky. Today I'm going to show how you can apply the henna on your hair or your kids' hair to get the really sun-kissed look. See the pictures, like how graceful it is. The look is very happy on my daughter's face. I think she's very happy for that. So I'm going to share the recipe. You need for this recipe, right? You just need BAQ quality henna powder and water. That's all. You don't need anything fancy here. Take into any bowl of your choice, any spoon of your choice. It could be wooden, metal, it doesn't matter really, but you just need to make sure the quality of the henna powder is BAQ quality. You can add a lukewarm water. And you just keep mixing. You don't need any hand mixer, anything else to mix this paste. If you feel that the paste is very tight, and you can add more water based on the need. This is after 4 to 6 hours. If you feel the paste is very thick, you can add just regular water. Just mix it couple of times. You can leave it for like whole night. This is after like 10 hours of time. This is after 12 hours of time before I ready to apply on the hair. I'm going to apply some coconut oil on the hairline just to prevent it from staining. You can use any other oils like almond oil or Vaseline, whatever oil. Oil just acts as a barrier. So wherever you don't want to see the stain, just apply it liberally. Make sure your hair is dry, no oil applied, so that you can see the color very well. Otherwise, applying henna on the oily, you don't see that much stain happens because oil acts as a barrier. So it's always recommended to have some dry hair to be applied. So I just applied on the partitions. You don't need to apply throughout the hair because the scalp is the main part you have to focus. So you just apply liberally on the partitions. You make your own way of style of wrapping this on the head. I call this as mudi in Telugu, and this is more easier to maintain. After you use like a bun and then wrap it around to the hair. And this is the final bun. We have it, and have some clutcher to make sure it's tightened and not fall. This is after wash with just plain water. Shouldn't use any shampoo or conditioner. You don't see any color immediately because normally it will take like 24 hours to 48 hours to see the stain happens on the hair. Peaks after 24 hours. Now I'm going to apply the hair oil. This is a homemade hair oil. So you better always warm the oil before you apply. Apply really well on the hair, massage it gently. At this time your hair would be very dried off because of the henna application. So I would recommend having little more than what you usually do. So the technique is just massage, massage, massage. Now she is going to take the shower after 6 hours. This is what we see, the end result, and she is very happy to see this result, and even I am very happy to see how it turned out. I really like the sun-kissed look on her hair. It's gorgeous, guys. Let me know how did your henna application happen and what is the result in the comment section. If you have any specific questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer back. If you want to refer the product what I used in this video, I will leave it in the description. Thank you so much for your time and support on this channel. Thank you.